I've got an amazing one-bedroom corner unit, southeast facing. And if you're an early morning riser, the sunrises are absolutely stunning. The colors of the sky here at 202 Loblaw Street. You've got almost 625 square feet of living space, and I can't wait to give you a tour. As you walk into your home from your foyer, you open up into the spacious, bright unit with this open concept kitchen. I absolutely love the gray countertops that's accentuated by the white cabinetry, plus I love this wood grain finish. And amazingly, I love this backsplash. It really adds some detail to the kitchen. You have a full-size stainless steel appliances here. So imagine cooking, entertaining, and enjoying your bright corner unit view all day long. What I love about this home also is this floor plan. It's so efficiently laid out. You can have your guests sitting here across the bar. You have a 4-seater dining room table right behind me, but this could easily sit 8. And I love that you have the dining and living room all in one space. And look at all these bright windows all around me. This corner unit is so bright, and this is something I personally look for in a home that is bright and airy and spacious. And imagine opening up all these windows, have a beautiful cross breeze coming here. And again, the morning sunrises to the southeast here is absolutely breathtaking. And I really want you to take a look for yourself. And here is your master bedroom tucked away from your open spacious layout. You've got your bathroom, and here is really your quiet oasis where you can sleep the night away, relaxing, unwinding, and look at these beautiful bright windows. In the morning, you have your amazing sunrise that's absolutely breathtaking. But of course, you can put out blackout shades for you to rest and have a great evening while you unwind. And here is your covered balcony that you can use all year round. Imagine barbecuing, entertaining, while you're looking at this beautiful, unobstructed view. And on a beautiful sunny day like this, you see Mount Baker. And this location is so convenient. You're only a 7-minute walk to Skytrain. You're also a short drive right off of the highway here. And you're close to North Road, Lougheed, everything that you need. If you want to take a look at this amazing unit, feel free to contact me. My name's Denise Mai, and I'm more than happy to set up a viewing with you.